One of the most effective tools you have to market your practice or business is video. Let me tell you why. First, 72% of businesses that use video say it is increasing their overall sales. Second, search engine rankings. Videos help you rank well. So if you're trying to get on the first page of Google, Bing, Yahoo, or any of the major search engines, if you have an optimized video on your website, the chances of coming up on that first page go up by 50 times. And third, studies show that 70% of people that come to a website and watch a video about a certain product or service will buy that product or service. Studies and statistics have confirmed if people have a choice when searching the web for information or to make a decision, they would rather watch a video than read text. Walker Kreative are specialists when it comes to video marketing. Not only do we create world-class video productions, but we know how to take that video content and market it across all platforms of the web to get thousands of your potential clients or patients visiting your website, calling your phones, or walking in your doors. We've shot in exotic locales such as Japan for a premier green tea and matcha powder manufacturer who supplies Starbucks. And we've created videos for a pediatric dentist in Orem, Utah to share their wonderful story and to reach thousands in their community. We've been to upstate New York for a family dentist and down to Texas to create videos for an awesome veterinarian and share how she cares for dogs and cats. We created a video for a tech-based accountancy firm in San Francisco that's got over 46,000 views on YouTube now. A set of videos we created for an orthodontist in Salt Lake City, well, he's reached 98,000 views. And then there's the financial advisor in Sacramento. We created a YouTube channel for him, which is educating the world on how to build wealth. A holistic medical doctor in Rockland, California is creating wellness for Northern Californians, and we're helping him to tell his story, with the result that he is on the top of all search engine results on Bing, Yahoo, Google, and new patients are calling in and walking in. And then there is the ultra-exciting flying car manufacturer, Samson Sky. We've supported them from our beginning, traveling with them to Oregon and Wisconsin to share their story. The number of views is close to 1.3 million, and reservations for their upcoming vehicle are now over 1,500 internationally. The point is that video has become a vital part of the marketing mix for every type of business. It can work for you. So put video marketing to use to grow your practice or your business.